Hello everyone, today I am going to make banana muffins. First thing to do is to prepare the baking pan and grease it with butter. Mash 4 bananas using a fork. Each banana weigh 86 to 90 grams. Add 300 grams of washed brown sugar. Add 1 cup of soybean oil. Add 5 eggs. One teaspoon of vanilla extract. And 1 teaspoon of almond flavor. In a separate bowl, I will start mixing the dry ingredients. This is 250 grams of all-purpose flour. One teaspoon of salt. One teaspoon of baking powder. One teaspoon of baking soda. And 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. After mixing the dry ingredients, I will combine this with the banana mixture. Continue mixing until fully combined before placing it in a baking pan. Now it's time to pour it in a baking pan using this 1/2 measuring cup. Place it in a preheated oven with temperature of 180 degrees Celsius, about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the muffin is ready. Wow, it looks so yummy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy my baking video.